Hello, my name is Gagan. I am from Nizamabad, Telangana. I am a computer science and engineering graduate from Lovely Professional University in the stream of computer science and engineering with the specialization data science and engineering. So I have joined JNTU Jspiders in the month of September on 4th date with the course of Java full stack. So initially the course was started with SQL, which was taught by Dinesh sir. So he is a very experienced trainer as he knows the real world scenarios, how to know the subject, how to start with the SQL, how to gain the knowledge in SQL, what are the theories to be applied, what are the concepts to be applied, how to crack the interviews. He was theoretically good. He was supporting consistency to me, groomed me in such a manner that I can crack the interview wherever I could go. I attended regular mock sessions, regular interview sessions, grooming sessions and all, where I can build my communication skills, technical skills and all, so that I can crack my interview very easily. So, yeah, thank you.